us to park over there. Okay. Park in front of that airplane.
Wow, you almost hit it.
Almost hit the propeller. Okay, we are at the place Coffee Wall 331 station. All right, let's see. Let's take a look around. I don't know how to order upstairs or order from these people. It's raining day. So she said order here and then go get the drink upstairs. So this look like tourist place. See what they have.
หมายเลข88 90 91 92และลูกค้าท่านใดที่สั่งเป็นโกโก้เย็นนะคะ
This is
ติดต่อ
your
รับผู้
number.
หนึ่งในที่หน้าเคาน์เตอร์ค่ะ
This is your
หมายเล
number
ข88 90 91 92ติดต่อรับผู้หนึ่งในที่หน้าเคาน์เตอร์ค่ะ
A lot of people here, they come with the tour. What's this? Oh, this is the temperature check. They said ผ่านได้ค่ะ it means you good to go.
ผ่านได้ค่ะ
อันนี้นะครับ 96 ครับ passion fruit
รับเครื่องดื่มแล้วหาที่นั่งได้เลยนะคะ ขอบคุณค่ะ
got the drink and take a seat. Passion fruit. Hi Jenny, how's your drinks?
It's really yummy.
How you like it?
100%.
Oh, okay. Do you like this place?
Yep.
Why? Why you like it?
Because like they transformed the coffee shop. They transformed the airplane shop into a coffee shop.
Okay. The coffee shop on the airplane. Look like my daughter. She's like this place a lot. So we order the crepe cake. She already ate half of it. You like it, huh, Jenny? All right, here's the cockpit. Look like we can sit and drink from here. Okay, let's try. Sit and drink from the cockpit.